Hello and welcome to the Great Focus Forum. We are continuing by looking at differentiation. In the previous class, we were able to look at the several methods of differentiation. And today we are going to look at the fifth method of differentiation by the name Quotient Rule. Then, how can we define quotient? Quotient is a result of division. Take an example whereby you have been given 25 divided by 5. Your answer will be 5. So this 5 is as a result of quotient. Therefore, in calculus 1, we look at the function f of x being equals to, and this function is dividing itself with two functions u of x and v of x. We have u of x, it's dividing itself by v of x. Then when we differentiate this equation, we will have the general formula for product quotient rule as v du over dx, then subtract u dv over dx all over v squared. That is the general formula for quotient rule. Let us take an example. We have been given the function y being equals to 3x squared all over 3x plus 4 dx. Then we have been told to differentiate using the quotient rule. Then we have to look at the values, the derivatives of u and v. Then we will let u be equals to 3x squared. Then we differentiate the value of u with respect to x. We will have du all over dx being equals to 6x. Then we will still look at the value of v as 3x plus 4. Then we differentiate the value of v with respect to x, and then we will have dv all over dx being equals to 3. Okay, let us now replace the values in the general formula. Then we have the value of v as 3x plus 4. We are going to multiply by the value of du all over dx. Du over dx is 6x. We subtract the value of u, which is 3x squared, then dv all over dx, which is 3, multiply by 3, close the brackets. Then we will still have to divide by the value of v, which is 3x plus 4, but it is squared. So in reaching there, we will require to open the brackets, which this one and this one is going to be 8. It is 18x squared plus 24x minus 9x squared. Are we getting? Then we divide through by 3x plus 4. It is all through squared. Then we have to collect the like terms. We have 18x squared and 9x squared, meaning they can subtract each other. Then our last answer is going to be 9x squared plus 24x all over 3x plus 4, but through squared. You can still leave your answer that way. The answer is still correct, but a bright student could simplify further. You will have as 9x into x. Does 9 enter through? It's not possible. Let us say 3. Yeah, 3. 3x, then this one is going to be 3x plus 8, then all over 3x plus 4, which is square. That is your answer. Then let us now keep looking at the second and final example under this method. We can still have an example asking you to differentiate the value of 4x all over, this is 6x plus 4. Then we have to check on the value of u as 4x. Let us differentiate the value of u with respect to x. We will have du all over dx being equals to 4. Then we continue by checking the value of v. The value of v as 6x plus 4. Then dv all over dx being equals to 6. Then we replace in our general formula by saying v, which is 6x plus 4. Then du all over dx is 4 minus u, which is 4x. We multiply by dv over dx, which is 6. Then all through v squared, which is 6x minus 4 squared. Then we multiply this and this one is going to give us 24x plus 16 minus 24x. Then we check on the division side. We say 6x minus 4, but it is squared. Then our last answer, this one will cancel this one. Then the last answer becomes a 16 all over 6x minus 4 squared. That's your last answer. Remember to subscribe into my YouTube channel so that in case there is a new concept, you will be the first one to be notified about the concept. Thank you so much.